In this video I will show you if you send someone invite to chat. You can see here I sent invite to chat this ID. So if you want to delete the invitation, you can see if you want to delete the message, how can you delete that? So if you click here or tap in this message, you can see here delete for you. You don't get option to unsend or delete for each other. So in this video I will show you how can you unsend or delete for everyone this message. So for deleting, you have to open your browser. You can open your Chrome, you can open your search engine Google. So I am simply opening my browser, Google browser. You can see here I am on my Google Chrome browser. After come here on your Chrome browser, you have to simply log in into your Instagram account. You can see here I logged in into my Instagram account. After come here log into Instagram account, you have to go to the person whom you sent your invitation. You can see here I sent earlier this account to my invitation, and now if you tap on this message, you can see here sent invite sent. If you tap in this message, you can see here three dot line or three dot option. You have to simply click here three dot option, and then you can see here unsent. So if you click here unsent, you can see here unsent message, and that's how you can unsend your invitation to that person. So this is today's video. Thank you so much.